My name is Beau Gregory. I'm a tool and die maker at Neptune Technology Group. I graduated 2018 with my CNC machining degree. Here at Neptune, I help make water meters. Being able to sit there on the computer and program a part and then watch it translate into the machine is, for me, it's pretty cool. The money is going to be right there with a 4-year degree, and it's half as long. I will always have a job because there's a lot of older gentlemen out there that are retiring, within the next 10 years all over this country, and they're looking for younger skilled workers filling their shoes. A lot of the companies that have banners up there at Southern Union are actually putting in time and money for students there at Southern Union so they can come to those companies and train and get a lot of experience while they're in school. And most of the time they eventually hire on those students. I'll finish up this summer with my plastics degree. The molding world is huge right now, and it's going to continue to grow. And having these 2 degrees helps me understand the molding a lot more. It gives me that extra leg that's going to put me over the top of somebody that just has 1 degree. I can say that I love my job. Machinists make the world go round. Everything was, originally made from a machinist.